Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sky replacement feature. First, go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and we're going to select something more interesting than this plain gray sky. You've got blue skies to select from, you've got some other ones, even sunsets. I'm going to go ahead and stick with this. You can adjust the edge of where this meets the landscape horizon. You can also adjust the lighting and the color to try to match the previous scene with the sky. And overall, this is quite dull decontrasted. So I'm going to duplicate both layers with Command J and merge these, Command E. I'm going to go ahead and make another copy, Command J, and we're going to do image and either auto tone or auto contrast to brighten this up. So that's looking much better. We could even create more blues here. I think that would help. But overall, that is how to use the sky replacement feature. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.